Dear students, today we will see the topic numbers, which is our first chapter and its part 2 portion. So the portions we are going to revise is expanded form, place value and face value of numbers. First we will revise place value chart. Place value chart we have already seen. This is place value chart of Indian system. In Indian system we will write the numbers from the end, and then place values are ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores. Ones, tens and hundreds together comes under ones. Thousands and 10,000s together comes under thousands. Lakhs and 10 lakhs comes under lakhs, and crores and 10 crores comes under crores. And while writing numbers, we know that we will write from the end. Ones is nothing but one digit numbers, tens, two digit numbers, the second part, or tens place of two digit ones and tens together called two digit numbers. Ones, tens and hundred forms three digit numbers, and so on. Now we'll see how to write expanded form of a number. Here we'll choose one number which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is a 9 digit number, and according to Indian system we are putting commas. So from the last three numbers in a group. So 9, 8, 7, then comma, next 2, 6 and 5, comma, 4, 3, comma, then 12. So while writing in place value chart, we can write the numbers from the end, that is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we have written the numbers, and these numbers we can write like this. In ones place it is 9 into 1, 9. Tens place 8 into 10. Hundreds place 7 into 100. Thousands place 6 into 1000. 10,000 place 5 into 10,000. Lakhs place 4 into 1 lakh. 10 lakhs place 3 into 10 lakh. Crore 2 into 1 crore. 10 crores place 1 into 1 crore. So the number, okay, each place we have given values. This is actually called place values, and the number we can write in the expanded form like this: 1 into 10,000, that is 1 into 10 crore, that is 10 crore itself, 10 crore, plus 2 into 1 crore, that is 2 crore, plus 3 into 10 lakh, that is 30 lakh, plus 4 into 1 lakh, that is 4 lakh, plus 5 into 10,000, that is 50,000, plus 6 into 1,000, 6,000, plus 7 into 100, 700, plus 8 into 10, 80, plus 9 into 1, 9. It's not necessary to write the table and then to find each and steps. While seeing the number also we can write this expanded form. Here 12, 34, 56, 789 is given. So we can write the numbers like this: 1, and the balance, instead of balance numbers we can put zeros. 8 numbers are there, so 1 and 8 zeros, plus 2 and the balance numbers, that is 7 numbers, 7 zeros, plus 3 and 6 zeros, plus 4 and 5 zeros, plus 5 and 4 zeros, plus 6 and 3 zeros, plus 7 and 2 zeros, 8 and 1 zero, 9 and 9 itself. We can write it like that also, but the way how expanded form comes is like this. Next we will see some examples for expanded form and how to write place value. Here a number is given 34,087. So while writing expanded form we will write 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 0 plus 80 plus 7. So place value of each numbers will be: place value of 3 is 30,000. Place value of 4 is 4,000. Place value of 0 is 0 itself. Place value of 8 is 80, and place value of 7 is 7. Same way here I'll check place values of 4 in each numbers. Here place value of 4 in 34,087 is 4,000. Here place value of 4 is 40,000, and for the next number place value of 4 is 400. So like this way we can find place value of each and every number in given numeration. Next, face value. Face value is nothing but face value of a digit is the digits itself. So okay, in this given number face value of 3 will be 3 itself, face value of 4 will be 4 itself, face value of 0 0, face value of 8 itself, face value of 7 7 itself. No need to add the place values, only to write the given number itself. That is called the face value. Thank you for watching.